Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either turn on or off the minimize on use option in Task Manager. So if we open up Task Manager here, you'll notice the default setting if you left click on options is to minimize on use, meaning if you select a current app underneath your process tab and then right click on the process itself and then selected switch to, you notice it'll minimize Task Manager. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to turn that feature off so it won't automatically minimize Task Manager. So you just go ahead and left click on options and then uncheck the box next to minimize on use. So now if we try and switch over to the File Explorer window again, you notice it does not automatically minimize our Task Manager session. Please keep in mind this will not apply if you're using Windows Store apps, because this unfortunately will still close out of Task Manager even if this option is unchecked. So just keep that in mind, but for all other applications it should work in the way that I demonstrated in this tutorial. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.